Hey guys, what is up? This is WWE Matt, Online Gaming. I'm back. We just got over the Blizzard of 2015. So you'll be seeing that. I was on my way from my grandparents' house at the time. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for my 20 subs. I'll be doing like a throwback Thursday today, which I'll post today, but it'll be for tomorrow, which is Thursday, because I won't have any time to make the video. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing you'll find out once I play. But I just wanted to show you guys the weather outside. So from the aftermath of the blizzard. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support and everything, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Alright, peace. Bye. Mom, oops. I'll edit that out. Sorry, people.
I stuck my tongue out at him.
Oh!
Jesus.
Sorry about that, guys. We got some jerks here in Fall River.
We get lots of jerks.
This is just from my grandparents' house. This is.
People are retarded.
Yeah, no kidding.
We got lots of people driving now. Pretty much. Ooh, look at this.
Yay, Cody. I'm not looking. Yo!
Dude, really? I'm gonna try and keep my profanities to a minimum.
Because I'm videotaping, right? You're good. Look at that.
This is massive.
Oh, man. What is this, like 3 feet of snow? Thank God the Patriots aren't here.
Well, we can go for a walk later.
Yeah, maybe.
Tomorrow we're going, definitely means Sophie. I'm going sledding.
Sophie. I'm Sophie now.
Yes, Sophie. Sophie.
I don't know how long you want this video to go, but...
You don't have to go it long.
Alright, guys, well, this is Matt, Sophie, and Mommy from the Blizzard of 2... Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Ah!